In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Clickbank product review video. By the end, you'll know how to choose a solid product, research it properly, build a clear script, record confidently, and add visuals that keep viewers watching while guiding them to your affiliate link. First, choose a product in the Clickbank marketplace. Look for high gravity, which indicates other affiliates are making sales. Pair that with a good commission rate so your time is well rewarded. Most importantly, pick something that solves a real problem. Categories like health, money, and relationships tend to perform well because they address everyday needs and strong motivations. Next, study the product before you hit record. Read the sales page in full so you understand the promise, the features, and the tone. Search for reviews on platforms like Google, YouTube, and Reddit to see real experiences and common questions. Get clear on what problem it solves, who it's for, and the key benefits that matter most. Don't promote blindly. Viewers can tell, and it hurts conversions and trust. Now, write a simple, clean script. Start with a hook for the first 10 seconds. For example, this ClickBank product claims to help you lose weight fast, but does it really work? Then briefly highlight the problem and why people struggle. Move into a product overview around the 30 to 60 second mark. What it is, what's included, and how it works. Offer honest pros and cons. Pros might be that it's easy to use or delivers good results if followed. Cons could include price or the need for consistency. Wrap with a clear call to action. If you want to check it out, I'll leave the link in the description. When you record, keep it simple. Your phone camera works great, and screen recording is perfect if you're walking through the website. If you prefer automation, tools like Pictory, Canva, CapCut, or Weavy AI can speed up production. Speak clearly, aim for a 3 to 8 minute runtime, and use simple, direct language. Record in a quiet space, keep your energy up, and focus on helping, not hyping. Finally, add visuals. Show the product's website with tasteful screenshots, include before and after images only if they're allowed, layer in stock footage from places like Canva or Pexels, and use on-screen text to highlight key benefits and your call to action. This combination builds trust and keeps viewers engaged from start to finish.